Hey guys, Victoria here. How y'all doing? I am here at Sunrise Villa in Cabrera shooting some content for some upcoming yoga retreats that we are getting in the Cabrera area. So I thought I'd take you guys along with my photo shoot this morning, and then maybe we'll go check out some of my favorite spots in Cabrera. Come along. I get the honor of working with Thrive in DR. There's Whitney over there. And under the sun today, Ryan's in there getting some food plates ready for us for the shoot. It's gonna be exciting. There are ants here. I'm getting bitten. There weren't that many actually. All right, villa number 1 done. We are off, headed to villa number 2. Just finished up doing some yoga at the villas, and now we are gonna go shoot in the pool. All done with work for the day, and now I'm at this beautiful waterfall. I love coming here to just jump in, refresh myself, exfoliate with the natural mud, and just be in this peaceful and tranquil space. Just got to Floor Cafe, my favorite coffee spot in the area. I love coming here because it has the best Wi-Fi around. I can get some work done, bring my computer, bring my journal, and they have a beautiful nursery right next door. You can walk through the gardens, check out all the pretty flowers. So just wanted to bring you guys here to show you this local spot. If you're in the area, you should definitely come by for their dairy products. They're delicious. I'm gonna get some work done, and then let's head to the beach. Just kidding, before we hit the beach, I wanna bring you guys to a really, really cool spot in Cabrera. It's kind of like a water, cave, jumping hole. It's hard to explain, but I'm gonna show you now. Let's go check it out. All right, we just got to the hole. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see my Crocs. It's a really cool spot. I'm about to jump in. I've done this a million times, but every single time I come, I get like the little nerves in my stomach. So give me a second to work myself up to it, and then I'll see you down there. Finishing up at this spot. I love it here. It is so peaceful. You can just go for a nice swim. There aren't any big waves. Nice calm ocean. Hold these for me. But now let's go check out one of my favorite beaches. Hopefully there are some waves there so we can go jump around and play in the waves. Let's go to Playa Grande. Just got to Playa Grande. I'm gonna go slip into my bikini so that I can go relax, have a drink on the beach, and wind down this Friday afternoon. Be right back. Just had a nice drink with some friends at the beach bar. We are just kind of chilling, hanging out, watching the sunset. The waves are meh today. Usually we get like a nice, good wave that you can play in here. But yeah, you get what you get. We're just having a good time. There is no better way to spend your Friday afternoon. I will tell you that. Time to finish off the day with a nice evening ride here at the farm with my girl Shakira. We are such a horse-driven community here in Cabrera, so I love to end my days with a ride. If you're ever in the area and you want to go for a ride, you want to do a tour, you should absolutely contact Under the Sun. Ryan will hook you guys up with an amazing excursion. And if you liked this video of a few of my favorite spots here in Cabrera, please let me know. I will show you some other local spots that are fun to check out. As always, you guys keep it real and like, subscribe, do all the things. Bye! All right, let's talk Crocs. This is something that I have been dying to talk about because everyone is hating on my Crocs. And I don't understand. They are so practical. They're ideal. They're like all-terrain, all-weather. I can wear them at the beach. I can wear them at the farm. When it's raining, when it's not raining. Crocs for life.